Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing my delicious pumpkin stew, also known as miyan taushe. Miyan taushe is made from a combination of ingredients such as pumpkin, groundnut, and leafy vegetable. So let's get started. I'm just gonna start by adding the meat inside a pot. Chopped onion, thyme, crushed ginger and garlic, water, seasoning cube to taste, cover and allow it to cook. Once it cooks, add in the pumpkins. Now the pumpkins are cooked. I'm just gonna take it out, blend and keep it aside. Now heat up 2 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons palm oil, chopped onions, crushed ginger and garlic, then add in the blended peppers and just give it a stir. Then cover and let it cook till it's reduced. Now add in the blended pumpkins. Add 1 teaspoon of daddawa. Cover and let it cook for 2 minutes. Now add in the beef stock and water. Add the crushed groundnuts. Stir everything together. Add 1 teaspoon of crayfish powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Give everything a stir. Add seasoning cubes to taste. Add in the chopped spinach. Mix everything together. Cover and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Then add in the fried fish and the fried beef. After that, turn off the heat and allow to sit for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, our vegetable soup is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.